Have you made this wire pendant and its earring? If yes, don't miss this video out. We are going to talk about a very simple and easy tutorial to make the ring for those sets. Pick up your wires of 18 and 20 gauge, a pearl that is of course appropriate with previous pearls, a ring mandrel or any other cylindrical shapes, main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Pick up a piece of paper, pen, or pencil, and then put your hand on the paper and draw the outline of the finger that you are going to make the ring for. And what is important is the width of this finger. That determines the diameter of the ring that we are going to make. This would be the design. A loop or a ring that is attached to another one. To determine the size, pick up a piece of yarn or wire or simply your previous ring and just put it on that and then insert it onto the ring mandrel and mark this place. Pick up the 18 gauge wire. We are going to make this upper circle and the continuous of this wire is going to be wrapped all around the finger twice, and then we would make 2 loops at the end. So altogether we need 3 times of our ring size. So with a delicate chain, we are going to determine the ring size. Mine is about 5 centimeters and 3 times of that is about 15 centimeters. And I'm going to cut it on 18 gauge wire. I would make end and starting point close and put it on the ring mandrel and wrap it all around just to make a loop like this. It's almost like a tie, and I'm going to make 90-degree bends at the middle, just at this point, one here and the other in front of the first one, and make those strands all straight. I manipulate it to be formed well, and this is going to be the upper circle, and those 2 strands are going to be wrapped all around ring mandrel, and also I'm going to push the circle onto this ring mandrel gradually and little by little. And at this step, I'm going to make 2 loops with this ending points. So with your round nose pliers, keep them tight and make a loop-like shape to make it closed and those beautiful little loops at the end. This is almost done. The main structure, I mean. Let's check it out. The size is almost good, and we are going to add the decorative part. So, with my pearl, it could be a plastic pearl or a shell one, but if you choose the shell, you should check out the size of the hole, and if it's small, make it a little bigger so that your 20 gauge wire would be inserted into the hole. I insert the wire in. I leave about 2 centimeters to make swirl parts and about 4 centimeters to do some wire coilings. To make the swirl, with your round nose pliers, make a very little loop at first and then continue to make a beautiful swirl. We had talked about how to make open and closed swirls on the video that I leave the link above. You could go to that tutorial and see how to make beautiful swirls. So this would be it, the decorative part. And this is the time to insert the pearl again in. And this is going to be placed at the middle and to be attached at one side in front of those two loops that we had made first. So I make a 90-degree bend at the end of the pearl, put it in, and again make a bend here. This is the place where the wire is going to be wrapped all around the main structure. I make a U shape and insert it into the ring with round nose pliers and make the first loop and tie, of course, just like this. I'm going to do that with round nose pliers as it is possible, and to squeeze it I use my chain nose pliers to be attached tight. And the first wire wrapping part is so important, and we continue as well to make other wire wrappings, and those are going to be squeezed and attached tight all around the main structure. And don't forget to squeeze the ending point so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. Or you could use the jewelry file too. We're almost done, but one more step. Insert it into the ring mandrel and push it to be close to the point that we had marked as our ring size, and then push it with the plastic part of your tool and hammer it, because we had squeezed it, and as we use soft wire, it's natural if the wire loses its shape. And this would be the result in our very beautiful circular wire ring. Hope you make this very beautiful and simple wire jewelry and enjoy it. Take care and bye-bye.